Hello friends. Welcome you in our YouTube channel, and our channel is dedicated to help the businesses and individuals to empower themselves in handling their technical needs, like recovery, migration, conversion, and monitoring. Nowadays, majority of email users use Outlook to manage their email communication, and it can manage your Exchange Online account also. When you purchase business and enterprise plans of Office 365, then Exchange Online is an essential part of subscription also. In this video, we will check how we can connect our Office 365 with Outlook application, and let me know you that it is very easy job. First, you should start the Outlook application as the administrator from the Applications menu. Click File option in the top ribbon. In Info section, click Add Account option. For auto account setup, input the name of your account, its email address, password, and retype it. Then, click Next. Outlook does not require extra information, as it can auto-discover all the necessary details of account. It will establish a connection with the server, and show you the message that email account was successfully configured and ready to use. Click Finish. There is another method where you can connect same account in Outlook using a manual technique from Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Click Mail icon. Click Email Accounts button. Click New option to add the new account. Select Manual Setup or additional server types and click Next. Choose the first option to Outlook.com or Exchange Active Sync compatible service. Office 365 is part of same services. So, click Next. Input the user information like name, email address, in-mail server, input Outlook Office 365.com and password, etc. Then, click Next. Outlook will run a test for connection and send a test email message. Then, click Close. Office 365 is connected with Outlook, and you can check it in the list of account too. Now, I am sure that you can connect not just one but multiple Office 365 accounts in Outlook pretty easily. The process will be same. If you further require to take the backup of Office 365 and restore data into it, then you should use Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore software for thorough service. Have a nice day.